The Quiet Little Firework. Written and illustrated by Nicola Kopak for Blue Zoo. Early one evening, the fireworks were preparing for a big parade. Little Firework sat watching as they all practised for the night's performance. Spiral whooshed into the air, spinning and twirling, putting on an energetic display of sounds and shapes, followed by Rocket, who took a deep breath and soared up high, unleashing a powerful whee! Next up, Sizzle and Pop blasted into action, a duo of exploding stars and funny sounds. Finally, Big Bang burst with an incredibly loud boom, shooting her stars left and right. She landed perfectly and took a bow. Soon, it was Little Firework's turn to perform. He took a deep breath, ready to belt out a bang. But nothing came out. Little Firework was completely silent. He tried to let out a whistle or a pop. He tried to boom and bang, clang, fizzle and crackle, but managed only a quiet puff. Determined to be like other fireworks, he hurled himself upwards, only to get dizzy and fall down with a heavy thwomp. Little Firework began to worry. Crackle, boom, fizz, pop, whoosh, whee! Little Firework tried to join in, but the higher he climbed, the dizzier he became. His worry grew bigger and bigger. His worry got so big it covered the sky. "Oh no," gasped Little Firework. "It's going to rain and everyone will get wet." Little Firework ran from the parade and hid in the quiet woods, taking his worry with him, where he was followed by a curious little moth. The moth fluttered over to Little Firework. "Why aren't you at the parade?" the moth asked softly. "I'm too quiet to be a firework," he whispered back. "I wish I could boom and bang." "Being quiet is fun too," replied the moth, and fluttered in little circles. "Why not give it a try?" Curious, Little Firework then hopped to his feet. He gave a quiet flutter. His glow shone a little brighter and his worry grew a little smaller. "Magical!" the moth beamed and danced happily in the light. "I wonder what other quiet sounds we can make. Let's explore together." Little Firework and Moth took off deeper into the quiet woods. They jumped, splish-splash, into giant puddles, then stomped crunch-crunch through the crispy leaves. Together they twirled and hummed with the twinkling fireflies. Little Firework shone brightly in the quiet. He sparkled silently through the trees. His worry had gone as the last drops of rain dripped from the leaves. "Here you are, Little Firework. We're so glad we found you," Big Bang said with relief. Little Firework was happy to see his friends again. "I'm sorry for running away," Little Firework whispered. "I think I just needed a little bit of quiet." "Don't worry," smiled Big Bang. "We all need a bit of quiet sometimes." Soon all the other fireworks were feeling very sleepy. "Could we rest quietly here with you?" yawned Spiral. The fireworks relaxed and snoozed together. The small moth fluttered peacefully around Little Firework's gentle glow. As Little Firework snoozed, he dreamed of a big parade. The fireworks boomed and crackled above, while Little Firework sparkled happily below.